going? I am going to be doing the lesson today is on transformers. We are on page 38 in your book, and I'm not talking about transformers more than meets the eye. It's not the kind of transformers I'm talking about. I'm talking about transformers that you find these, you can see them, they're boxes, they're electrical boxes. Like here's an electrical wire, and like here's like the transmitting station, and then there's like this box over here, and it's called a transformer. And what transformers do is they take up, like say there's a large amount of energy coming from this like generating plant, and the transformer makes that large amount of electrical energy coming from this like power plant into a smaller amount of energy that goes to your house or your home, right? So that's the transformer. It's transforming the energy. So it's transforming like lots of energy into like less energy. And then there's transformers that do the reverse, where they transform less energy into lots of energy, and they're called step up and step down transformers. So we're going to look at that first. You need to know what a step down transformer is and a step up transformer. Okay, but first I'm going to show you what a transformer looks like. So basically you have this magnetic, this is a magnet, okay? And what you do is you have wires here and wires here. You can see that there are more coils here and there are less coils here. So this is called a step down transformer because you're going from more to less. And these coils are wires. So like it could be like a copper wire, and this is copper wire here. And so you guys, all you need to know is like electrons move through this wire, okay? So let's say like you have a power plant right here. So here's the power plant or whatever. There's that grid line I showed you. So here's that power plant, and there's all this electricity coming from that power plant. And here's this here are these electrons. And the thing is, what these electrons do is, you guys should know that moving electrons creates a magnetic field. These moving electrons that create this magnetic field interact with the magnetic field of the magnet, and that causes the electrons in this wire to start moving. You can see that this wire here is not connected to this wire here. These two wires are totally separate. There's no connection between them. It's just that the moving electrons in this wire, as they move, as they vibrate, they actually interact with the magnetic field created by the magnet. And that causes or induces these electrons to move here. And because there's less wire, there's less electrons here. And so what's happening is it's going to create less current, and you're going to get less electrical energy. And that is a step down transformer. And then you have the step up transformer. So a step up transformer does kind of the opposite, where you have an iron core here, an iron core step up. And what happens is you have like less coils here, and then you have more coils here. And you can see that in a step up transformer, you're going from less and you're stepping up. So you're going from less to more coils. And so if you have electrons here, right, that moving electrons, right, the moving electrons here, right, causes this magnet, right, it has a magnetic field. So these moving electrons, right, interact with the magnetic field, and they cause the electrons to start moving here. Now you can see you have more electrons on this side, you're generating more current, and so you're actually increasing the electrical energy, right? You're increasing it, you're stepping up. And that's basically all you need to know. Now there's some calculations that you guys got to do with transformers. They're super easy. So there's like N P over, oh man, I think my pen is dead, so let me just charge it for 2 seconds and then I'm gonna start this again, okay? So let me just